All right, so remove this dash. You got a handful of screws up here. They're just Phillips head. I removed mine with a screwdriver. You can use a drill or whatever if you want. And then there's gonna be a handful just under here. There's gonna be a handful of the of 1/2-inch head bolts, and then you'll also have to drop your steering column, which is 2 9/16 head nuts. So yeah, let's get started. See, for me, I still have wiring, all that kind of good stuff hooked up. Heater boxes hooked up, or heater switch controls. You can disconnect that heater switch control box from underneath. It's just those two. It's just those two Phillips screwdriver or Phillips head screws. Screw into it from underneath, and you can pop that back and not have to worry about it. But then I got wiring harness and everything else up here, which is the exact reason that I'm trying to get to all of this, because the person who put it together did not put it together correctly at all. And so here I am trying to fix it. So that's basically how you remove the dash. Pretty easy. There's however many screws, 8 screws or whatever that go across the top. There's gonna be one goes in here, and same on the other side. And then your handful of screws, or your handful of bolts that go across. And then your 2 that'll drop down your steering column, which I think mine is hung up on the wiring harness and why it won't drop down any further. Or it's actually bottomed out in the hole. Never mind. But there you go. Thanks for watching. Okay, so one of the problems that this had before was that it would not start off the ignition switch. And it would turn power on, but it would not crank. And I just kind of crudely set everything up here with the dash out. That way I can kind of see stuff. Somebody who installed the wiring before actually spliced the wires together for the neutral safety switch instead of running it down to the neutral safety switch. And so they bypassed it, which didn't work. As well as they had a couple wires wrong on the ignition switch itself. So I just hooked the battery up. I got all the wiring hooked up that I think I need hooked up. I'm gonna push the clutch in just in case, because I am doing that. His shifter needs adjusted. So I'm gonna try and start her up. me to start it, but I do know that it will start. So that's good. That's good. I got it wired in correctly, and I can start going through my wiring now that's underneath the dash and start putting the dash back together. It was a pretty good day. Got a lot of stuff accomplished today. Slow and steady. Yeah, once I get that dash back in there, most of it's just right on in. So, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.